She's the co-founder of Aarambh Ventures, where she's been driving growth in the hospitality through cutting-edge digital strategy. Dr. Priyanka Singh.
Digital marketing changes overnight. Overnight, trends are changing, shifting the algorithm, platform rise and fall. I mean, it's just a single minute game.
Yeah, totally makes sense. Because in any field, you'll face setbacks. If you get scared from them, you won't be able to move ahead.
I have seen campaign who look successful on papers, but later to discover a big chunk of clicks from the bots.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to FaceTime with Leaders, powered by Directors Institute World Council of Directors. I'm your host, Tanay All, and today we are diving into the fast moving world of digital marketing, entrepreneurship, and leadership. Our guest today is someone who's been making serious waves in the digital space, a strategist, a mentor, and a true innovator. She's the co founder of Aarambh Ventures, where she's been driving growth in the hospitality and real estate sectors through cutting edge digital strategies. She has 8 years of experience in everything from SEO and content marketing to analytics, brand building, and conversion optimization. She's not only helping businesses grow but also empowering teams to think creatively and work smarter. Oh, and did I mention she's also a PhD holder in business management with her research focusing on the balance between artificial intelligence and human behavior, a topic that's more relevant than ever in today's tech driven world. So please join me in welcoming an inspiring leader and digital powerhouse, Dr. Priyanka Singh. Ma'am, welcome to the show. How are you feeling?
I am feeling very good. Thank you for this intro. It's really very good. Yeah.
Likewise, ma'am, we're also really looking forward to our conversation with you.
Yeah.
Ma'am, you've built such an inspiring career, like from starting out in market research to leading digital marketing teams and now running your own venture. To begin with, could you please share your career journey with us in your own words? Like, we'd love to hear about the key moments.
Yeah, yeah. Tane, like my journey really started with curiosity. So I have always wondered why people make a choices they do. So that questions led me into the market research. Like where I feel like detective, uncovering the hidden stories behind the consumer behavior. So many these things. So, but after a while, I realized I don't want to study a pattern. I want to know about them. So little bit more curiosity drive me into the digital marketing. So till the time when I entered into digital marketing, it was not so much an hype. Now everything is on digital marketing today. So then I joined the Green Gardens. So it is export and import companies for we have to tap market for the Italian. So mostly I have to work on international market. So Indian consumer behavior, then international consumer behavior. So then we ran multiple campaigns. Like, see, when you start a career, and it's a really turning point for me because then I got to know with creativity and data, it's a rare and very beautiful combo. So, of course, it hasn't been so smooth making my career in digital marketing, like building a client campaign. Sometimes campaign didn't go well. Everything happens in any line of business. So the thing is, then I started like when you know Three Idiots movie. Okay, all is well. So really all is well. So really looks scary negotiations and international beliefs, international standards of quality. So it's all thing adding up.
Yeah.
So then I started my then I opened this thing RM Ventures. So really, I mean, it's a bit tough. The thing is, starting by owner, it's normally finance, compliance, marketing in one hand. So doing this, but the thing is, failure is a big feedback. So when you fail, you will get to know what we are doing, what we have to improvise. So my journey is bit of curiosity, and the thing is, it's all about not a smooth ladder. It's just a roller coaster ride.
Yeah, totally makes sense. Because in any field, you'll face setbacks. If you get scared from them, you won't be able to move ahead.
Yeah.
Ma'am, now let's talk about Aram Ventures. You started
Yeah.
this company from scratch and have scaled it across hospitality and real estate using digital marketing as a growth engine. In those
Yeah.
early days, what were some of the biggest challenges you faced and how did you approach solving them?
Yeah. So starting Aarambh Venture was honestly is a mix of excitement and the fear. So I had a vision, yes, I had a vision, but I don't have a deep pockets, big brand name, even a long portfolio to lean on. In early days, just convincing our first clients in hospitality and real estate, it feels like you're climbing a mountain. So one of the biggest hurdle was credibility. So I still remember pitching to a company, a real estate company. Then they told, "Why should I trust you when big agencies are already existed?" So at the point of that, they are also correct. So credibility, reputations, and on competition is very big nowadays. So then I focused on personalization and agility. Like clients are smaller or bigger, you doesn't matter. It should be commitment. Whatever you promised, it should be on time. Like little bit adapt faster. So then not everything worked, of course, but once we ran a campaign, it will go well. Sometimes when you talk to 10 clients, one will give you a successful lead. So it happens like that, but it was all good. So excitement and
And
fear.
whenever you're trying something new, I think trial and error is the only way.
Yeah, that will be there. And first thing is budget.
Yeah,
Then
of course.
finance is very important in any business.
100%.
Yeah.
Ma'am, digital marketing changes so quickly that trends come and go, algorithms keep evolving, and platforms rise and fall. How do you
Yeah.
stay ahead of these changes and ensure that your strategies aren't just trendy, but actually drive measurable business results?
Yeah, basically, you're true. I mean, digital marketing changes overnight. Overnight, trends are changing, shifting the algorithm, platform rise and fall. I mean, it's just a single minute game. So I haven't seen campaign crashes after updates. So they taught me one thing: don't chase trends, chase outcomes. So my approach is simple: test small, learn fast, scale only what works. So, for instance, we leaned heavily on the video because it was a trend. So video exploded, but conversion didn't. So we pivoted a mid-flight tide video with SEO blogs, landing pages that shifts drop from 20% jump in lead conversion. So yes, we had misses like experimenting the platforms that didn't bring the insights. So for me, staying ahead isn't following the buzz. It's being customer focused. So because principle last, but even the platforms give me the outcomes. So this is the
And
really
very
very
and every trend might even not be meant for you. And if you
yeah,
just hop onto it, it can be a downward spiral.
yeah, you're true.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ma'am, your doctoral research focused on balancing artificial intelligence and human behavior, which is such a relevant topic today. Many businesses rush to automate processes and adopt new technologies, but sometimes this ends up in creating frustration instead of efficiency. So, from your perspective, where do companies go wrong with AI and automation, and how can leaders strike the right balance between technology and the human experience?
So very good question. So actually, the companies are making mistake because they are giving a better play. Like AI is putting tech before people. So the thing is, they rush to automate chatbots, dashboards, self-service, but they forget human are still the end users. So that's when frustration sets in. So in my research, I found that AI works best when it respects to the human psychology. If you automate without empathy, you'll create resistance instead of efficiency. So the balance come down in three things: start small, keep humans in a loop, and experience the power of AI, not just because the efficiency. So you need to work towards, like, AI is very helpful nowadays. Like it will give you answer, but the thing is, after a command, like you have to put a command, then you have to cross verify it's like what I want, he can deliver that or not. Like we simply can't tell ki ha do my work, like morning I will tell ha do my all the trends, and according to the trends make a post and post it in my field. It can't. I can help, I can take a help ki ha I want this type of photo, this is a prompt. Please generate a photo for me. Then The end user will be a human who will see that. End user will be the graphic designer who will make some changes. So AI is just an technology that makes our work easy, not doing our work. So there should be a clear difference.
Yeah.
So that's why company will go wrong. So,
And it's the same AI database to everybody in the world. So if you're not putting in your input, it'll give you the same results as everybody else.
and basically AI is the engine, but
Yeah,
humans holds the steering wheel.
correct.
So it will create like efficiency and trusted both are in humans. So they
Yeah,
don't have empathy. They will work on the codes, algorithms, and everything.
yeah,
So AI is just an engine.
true.
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am, now it's time to, make things fun a little bit. We have our very own rapid fire round. So the only request I
Okay.
have from you in this is quick answers, one word or one sentence. So are we ready?
Yeah, sure.
Perfect. Tea or coffee?
Tea.
Morning person or night owl?
Morning.
Favorite city you've ever visited?
Paris.
One food you can't live without?
Aloo paratha.
Okay. A hobby that instantly relaxes you?
Listening songs.
Okay. A book or show you've rewatched or reread multiple times?
Friends.
If you could have dinner with any historical figure, who would it be?
That is a bit tricky, but Einstein.
Okay. No? Yeah. One thing on your bucket list for this year?
This year is almost going to end, but in bucket list is I want to go Switzerland again.
Lovely. Great, ma'am. That was a rapid fire round. Thank you so much for being so
Okay.
rapid.
Yeah.
Let's now move on to the slightly more serious stuff, okay?
Okay. Yeah. Waiting.
Ma'am, with so much of business moving online, we've also seen scams and fraud rise, like
Yeah.
from fake engagement like bot traffic and click farms to something even more dangerous known as malvertising, where genuine looking ads actually hide malware or phishing links. How big a challenge are click fraud, fake engagement, and malicious ads for brand today? A and B, what steps should companies take to protect their marketing budgets and customer trust in this environment?
So that's very true. So clicking frauds, fake engagements, maladvertising, nowadays huge challenge. So after a corona, there are like thousands of frauds are happening. So in that we have to face so many of challenges because our ads going to like waste. So they distorted data. So I have seen campaign like who look successful on papers, but later to discover a big chunk of clicks from the bots. So and maladvertising is even riskier. One bad ad can expose the customer to malware and injures a brand reputations overnight. So the solution is to balance of tech and human oversight is fraud detection tools, careful vendor weightings, or continuous audits, and monitoring the quality of engagement, not just the volume. We have to see like what is the quality. So the thing is, any ad you run on Instagram, on Facebook, you have to run the followers of the quality. I mean, it shouldn't be some random foreign and who is like not having a post. So volume doesn't matter, just quality matters in that.
Very, very well said, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, you've been associated with Directors Institute, which is all about building stronger boards and better governance practices. Could
Yeah.
you please share what inspired you to get involved with the institute and how has this experience shaped your views on modern leadership and governance?
Yeah, so basically, Tane start like what inspired me to join a director institute was this such a curiosity. I want to understand the boardroom dynamics and how governance really shapes organization. So at the first, I assumed governance was about the compliance, but I quickly learned that it's about the balance, strategy, and the ethics, long-term goals and short-term pressures, diverse voices, and collective decisions. So
Mhm.
one case we have highlighted this perfectly. A choice was the financially sound but ethically questionable. So watching the unfold reinforcement, my belief that true leadership is about principles, not just profits. So that experience reshaped my philosophy. Now I see leadership as a trust, guiding the strategy, building a sustainable organization, and it's a responsibility. So that's why.
Yeah, very true. And it has to come from within. No one, you have to get that instinct in you, right?
Yeah.
Great, ma'am. Thank you so much for joining us today and sharing your journey with such honesty and depth from your early days in market research to leading digital marketing teams, building Aarambh Ventures, and even completing your PhD, on the balance between AI and human behavior. Your story is truly inspiring. And what stood out today is how you've shown us all that growth isn't just about numbers or trends, it's about staying human in a digital work and mentoring the next generation. So, thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
To our listeners, I hope today's conversation gave you fresh ideas and a little motivation to think bigger and lead smarter, whether you're growing a business, managing a team, or just starting out your own journey. This has been FaceTime with Leaders, powered by Directors Institute, World Council of Directors. I'm Tanyol signing off. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, stay future ready, and of course, have fun in your journey. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Yeah.
Thank you.